A very happy morning, children. Hope you all are keeping safe at your places. So, as I have already given 22 chapters, that was IQ Challenge 1. Here we will complete IQ Challenge 2, 23 chapter. Okay, so here what we will do, there are some figures as a mirror, problem figure, and many more. So we have to complete it. How we have to complete? Let's begin. Here, what is the question, children? A series of figures is given with one term missing. Here, this term is missing. So choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. So our first question goes to problem figure. So here how we can find it, let's see in the pictures. Here it is square shape, yes, and dot is in this position, but these lines are straight. Okay, in the second picture shape is same but lines are crossed. Okay, in the next picture, and also this dot is changed one step, okay, according to the boxes or lines we can see. Now in this figure the shape is circle and these lines are same as first figure. Let's see, yes or no, these lines are same, okay, and this shape is different. So, and this dot is in this place, means dot is in same place. Yes or no, children? Yes. So here what we will do according to this, we have to make the same figure here, means figure will be same. Figure means circle will be same, but lines will be as in this picture, like cross. So let's begin the cross lines, okay. And what was the one more thing, that was dot. So here this dot is in this place, so where we have to put this dot, in this. Okay children, so this is our next figure, we have to put dot in this place. Okay, let's see the answer. Answer is same, okay, as I already explained here. Okay, circle, then to cross line and this dot. Okay, now let's see the next picture. Again it is problem figure. Let us see. Here two circles are horizontal and two like vertical. Yes or no, children? You know what is horizontal or vertical? Yes, the horizontal figure is made vertical. This is called horizontal. Okay, this is called horizontal and this is called vertical. Okay, confirm. Now so this horizontal figure is converted into vertical figure. Okay children, so in this figure this is again horizontally girl, so this will make it vertical, but this way we have to write. But one more thing is this, the circles are joined like this. Okay, so here we also will do the circles like this. Okay, once again I am making here the same circles, but the direction will be changed. Okay, so the direction will be like this, as I already made here. Okay children, so this is your next answer. Let's see what is your answer. See, you can see in these pictures there is some different, yes, but this is the correct answer of this question. Now let's see the question number 2. Figures P and Q are related in a particular manner. Here they are the P and Q figure, they are related in a manner. let's see how they are related. Establish the same relationship between figures R and S by choosing a figure from alternatives. So here we have to find the alternative figures from R or S. So here it is, problem figure is question number A. Here according to the answers also we can find it, but from the question itself also we can complete it. How we can complete it? Here this is nothing, it is a square, just a square and these two straight lines. Yes, and here this is like a rectangle shape, and so here what we will do, we will make it like this as a rectangle shape. So A as answer will be correct, because in 3 answers we can't find our answer. Okay children, because this is also another direction, this is not proper answer here. Okay, so these answers are not appropriate for this figure. Okay, now let's see the next problem figure. P and Q, again it is what it is. See, first of all we have to see the P and Q figure. So here this figure is changed one step in this, correct, and this also moved one step ahead in this figure. Okay children, so in this way you can find question number R and S. What we will do, this figure change in this. So let us make this box first. Okay, if here it is the complete figure, but in this way if we will move, so what we will do, we have to fill in this box. Okay, if this box is completely filled, so this figure also will move ahead, means one step. So in this way our answer will be, what will be the answer? Let's see which answer is like this. Yes, answer C is same as I already explained here. Yes or no children? The same I have explained you. See it here, it is the same, because in this totally it is different. 2 are filled and here one only filled, but here it totally shape is changed. So in this way we can find our answer. Now let's see the find the odd figure out. Odd figure means in this way where we have to find the odd figure. These are called the images, mirror images. You all have mirror at your home? Yes children, you all have mirror. Mirror means aina, you know very well, where you see your faces. Yes, and dressing room there is the big mirror in your almirah. Yes, so you can see while writing the alphabets, you can see the images of alphabets, how they looks in the mirror. So if you will see these images, this will be same and this will just opposite. Yes, you can practice it in front of the mirror. Okay, you stand in front of the mirror and write in your notebook some of the alphabets. You can see how they looks through the mirror, and this will look like this, but this C is just totally different. How it looks you have to see in the mirror. So here this is the odd figure in this question. Now let us see the next and last. Again it is problem figure. So children, let us see what are the main things here. See, in this is a line as a square shape, and here also it is a line, but see more, 2 more are there. Here also the box is same and this line is same, and here also this box is same in this line. So this line is everywhere. Yes children, this middle line means this box is divided into two parts, we can say. Okay, but one more thing is that these two dots, so let us see what are they. These are the two dots. Okay, but see children, here can you find what is different here? Yes, see, in this way this is just opposite, it should be opposite, but between the line there are the two dots, but in this figure it is in a same place, we can see there is no difference, means this figure is not a opposite figure. If it will be here means it should be same, but here it is, this direction is same, so we will say it is odd figure. Understood student? Because if here like this it will be there, then we can't find it, it is a odd one. But here after the line there are in the same similar pattern, it is mentioned the dots, so we will say this is the odd figure. Hope you would have completed this exercise while seeing the video. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. Okay children, till then you have to revise all the chapters. And one more thing is that next chapter, next means 24th chapter, that is quiz chapter, you have to complete by yourself, because that chapter is based on the science. Okay, so many of you have, I hope so, many of you have done earlier because I have not given in the homework, but you have the answer sheet at the back, so hope many have completed. But if those who have not completed, they can go through the page number 36, because that also will come in the examination. Okay, so from 32 to 36, these all pages will come in the exams. So you already know page number 32 and 33, it is based on the previous chapter. All the previous chapters means till 21 chapters, these are based on that. These two pages are based on the previous chapters. These three chapters are new, 21, 22 and 23. So 23 is a quiz one, and this chapter is based on science. As I already told you, this is very interesting chapter. So you have to go through the all questions, exercises, choose the correct answer. So after completing it, you have to revise all the previous chapters. Okay, and fill 32 and 33 pages in your book, because the two pages I have already given in the homework in your previous video. Okay children, so let's enjoy your day. Bye bye.